Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Realme 9 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the best 3 home screen widgets that you can add on this device. So let's go ahead and start. In order for you to access the widget menu, you gotta either tap and hold on any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens, or make the shrink and swipe just like that. Next, on the top left corner, tap on this plus button, and then you will be brought to the widgets menu where all the available widgets are divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend that you add is the calendar widget. It allows you to improve your productivity by being able to keep the track of everything that has been added to your calendar, like reminders, events, or like basically anything, notes maybe, and without having to necessarily open up the calendar app each time and checking it manually. So now you can just tap and hold at the widget and choose at what home screen you would like to place it. In my case, I'll leave it right here. And as you can see, it will display like some of the celebrations, holidays, your notes, events that you have linked to the calendar, and etc. So each time you take your phone and unlock it, you will see what is currently planned in terms of important things and add it to the calendar, so you will not miss on anything. The second widget I would highly recommend that you add is the Google search bar. So let's go ahead and look for the Google category of widgets, tap and hold, and choose the place where you want to drop it at. I'll leave it right here, for example. Next, we can just tap and hold once the widget is added and expand it or shrink it respectively. So generally saying, change its size. It's a very convenient tool for you to have a quick access to searching anything that you need to search. And the third widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the YouTube Music widget. So let's go ahead and open up the widget menu again. Here, look for the YouTube Music category, tap and hold, and I'll drop it at another home screen, for example right here. And this widget, as you can see, allows you to like or dislike the track or video that is currently playing, play pause, and you can also switch between the previous and next track or respectively video as well. So it just makes listening to music or listening to any podcasts or videos very convenient, that you basically can manage it from the home screen. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!